Hello friends, in this video you will learn about input form attributes in HTML. Here is some list of form attributes. See this: form, form action, form method, form target and form no validate. We will discuss one by one form attributes in this video. First begin with the last one, form no validate. See, when you are clicking submit button, there is some conditions are there. Typing A, then you need to one more condition at the rate, like this. There are so many conditions in the form, but if you want to make submission without any checkings like this, that is happens possible with the form no validate. There is no validation is going on when you are using form no validate. See how to use form no validate. In the place of submit, use attribute form no validate. Then see this submitted without any checking because of form no validate. Then next one. Next one is form target. See, up to now we see the when you are clicking the submit, that file is open in this preview. Nothing but that is target is self. If you want to make it file open in the next tag, this is the preview, so that is not possible in this preview. But if you want to make it browser with new tag, with the form target value is blank. See this form target, it is blank. Make it and click it, submit. Nothing is happened because this preview not support creating one more preview. But if you try, it is in the browser, that is possible with opening new tab. Okay, then make it self. Then click it submit. See this. This is open in this preview only in the same tag. This is the use of form target. Then comes to the next one. Form method. We already discussed about the form method, but we need to remember that form method. It is there are two types of values for method. One is get, another one is post. First, know about the get. Get, when you are submitting, get show the details in the URL. Means get is not secured one. Don't use the sensitive information when your method is get. And that is useful. First, make the file as bookmark. And get method have limited data. Then see this. Next method is post. This post is secured one because this hides the information of the user. When you are submitting, this information is hides with the post. So you can use sensitive information like passwords. And this is not possible to make that one as bookmark. And this can stores unlimited data with the post method. The next one is form action. See, after the form, you are taking one input type, that is image, and that source is images submit 2.png. This image is created. See this, when it is clicking, this form not getting affected. So we need to make that effect. So okay, make it alternate value is submit as admin, and this is for form action. Submit to.html. See, nothing is happened. So this form action is not working. Why? Because this is not linked with the form. So we want to make the link this input with this form. That is happen with the first one. That is the form attribute. So how to make it? See now. Write the form. This is the attribute and value is form1. Created, it is need to link with the form1. But this form having no details about form1. So make it connection with the ID. ID value is form1. Then the link is created. See this. When this is clicking, this file getting affected. Before this file didn't get affected, but now when I clicking submit to, this file getting affected. So nothing but the link is happen. See what's happened. form@gmail.com, number 10 digits, then password, and use someone, and choose the file, choose the date of birth, fill the remaining details, and clicking submit to. See this. Hello admin, welcome back to our site. Thank you. So nothing but this form action is happen. That is open submit to.html. What is happen is this already action is there, but with the form action the action is override. This open. That is the reason submit to.html is open like this. This is the information about some form attributes like this. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.